It all began in a secret underground bunker beneath Mar-a-Lago. Trump, sipping a Diet Coke, listens intently as Musk unveils a terrifying truth. An asteroid the size of Texas is hurtling toward Earth. With time running out,
How cool was that? That was all done by AI. Let me tell you why we are going to create that today. As you know, these Messi and Ronaldo videos are immensely popular, and I also made a video about that. But now I was thinking, what about fictional stories about Donald Trump and Elon Musk? Well, I can guarantee you that this new untapped niche will get you millions of views if executed correctly. So yeah, this video is me giving you a new untapped niche on a silver platter. Let's get in. First of all, go to Chat-GPT and ask the following. Please give me a story about Donald Trump and Elon Musk saving the world. Give me the narration script for the voiceover and also give me enough image prompts in text form to illustrate the entire story. Just perfect. Now we will copy this text and go to 11 Labs. It is an amazing free-to-use AI text-to-speech generator. Pick a nice voice from the voice library or use a voice you already own like me. Now add the text from Chat-GPT and generate it.
it all began in a secret underground bunker beneath Mar-a-Lago.
That sounds amazing. Let's download it. Next up, we are going to open a new CapCut project and add the audio in there. Be sure to delete the pauses like I am doing right now. This way your short will have more virality potential. Next in line is to generate the images with the image prompts Chat-GPT provided us. So get the image prompt and then go to Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is the best free-to-use AI image generator that gives you daily 150 credits. Now add the prompt and be sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so the image will be vertical. And instead of Trump and Musk, we will also add their names so it will be Donald Trump and Elon Musk, just so we avoid possible errors. Now generate the image, and this process will take around 20 seconds. There it is. Just amazing. Now generate the other images. And guys, I also tried to generate the first image in Midjourney, but somehow it did a very bad job. Just look at it. It did not even include Elon Musk and Donald Trump. Another option to generate your images is Ideogram. Look at the result. That is amazing, but you can only generate like 5 images daily. After you've generated all the images, it is time to add them to CapCut and arrange them in the correct order according to the script. Next up, we are going to Captions, and now generate the captions. Choose a nice template and also put the captions a bit higher. Now click on an image and go to Animation, and now add a nice combo animation. Do this for all the images. I will use the sway in and sway out animation everywhere. Now we are going to add some background music. Simply go to the YouTube audio library and search for some cinematic, suspenseful music. Download it and add it to CapCut and turn the volume down. Last but not least, we are going to add some filters. When you are done, export your video in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro, and that's it. Now it's up to you. Take advantage of this new untapped niche and get millions and millions of views. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
It all began in a secret underground bunker beneath Mar-a-Lago. Trump, sipping a Diet Coke, listens intently as Musk unveils a terrifying truth. An asteroid the size of Texas is hurtling toward Earth. With time running out, Trump and Musk devise a plan. Musk's state-of-the-art SpaceX technology will launch a rocket to divert the asteroid, while Trump rallies the world's leaders with his undeniable charisma. Inside the bustling SpaceX headquarters, scientists and engineers work around the clock. Musk supervises with intense focus, while Trump offers motivational speeches and, of course, his signature thumbs up. To be continued.